In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and fix a common login issue on AliExpress. It's an easy-to-follow guide, and by the end, you'll be able to navigate through the process with confidence and ease. To start, you need to navigate to the AliExpress website. If you're unfamiliar with the URL, simply type AliExpress into your preferred search engine and click on the first link that appears. Once you're on the AliExpress homepage, you'll notice a variety of tabs and options designed to help you find what you're looking for. Next, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. There, you'll see a settings icon, which usually looks like a small gear or wrench. Go ahead and click on that. This section is crucial as it offers several options related to your account and browsing preferences. When you click on the settings icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to select the Log Out option. Now, I know this might seem counterintuitive if your goal is to fix login issues, but logging out will help reset any temporary glitches that might be affecting your current session. After successfully logging out, you'll want to log back into your account. To do this, click on the Log In button, which is typically found in the same area as the settings icon. Enter your login credentials, which include your email or phone number and password. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's usually an option under the login fields that says Forgot Password. You can click on this to reset it and regain access to your account. Once you've entered your details, hit the Login button. Be sure your login information is entered correctly, as this will ensure a smooth process. Logging in again can resolve many common issues such as session timeouts or small errors that might occur if your browser's cookies expired or became corrupted. And that's it. You've now fixed the problem by first logging out and then logging back into your account, which often clears up minor technical issues. By now, everything should be operating smoothly and you're ready to continue exploring or shopping on AliExpress. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it could be worth checking if there's a larger problem with the site or your internet connection. Occasionally, websites undergo maintenance or experience downtime, which can temporarily cause login problems. Consider reaching out to AliExpress customer support if the issue persists. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing for more useful tips and troubleshooting guides. Have a great day and happy shopping!